Hey guys, welcome back to another video by VillageGuy with a computer. In the last tutorial, what we did was we installed a bunch of software. We installed VS Code, we installed Node.js, and we wrote our very first JavaScript program, which was just a very basic program which said hello world and then it said bye. So what is happening here? So when you console log is like you're printing out to the console. So we call this the console in JavaScript, which is just the terminal. So when you say console.log, it'll print out whatever you put here to the terminal. That's why when we said node and we ran our script, it printed out hello and then it printed out bye. In this tutorial, what I want to look at is the concept of variables in JavaScript. But you remember like some point in high school, they started taking the numbers out of maths and replacing them with letters that give us something like x is equal to 4. And they would say x plus x is equal to 8. And they'd ask us, what is x? So we already know that x is equal to 4. So 4 plus 4 will give us 8. So this is all that a variable is. It's just a placeholder. So let me just show you how we do it in JavaScript. To declare a variable in JavaScript, we have a special word called let. So we say let x equal 4. So now we have variable, and in that variable, we've stored the number 4. So if we say console.log x, what we should get is the number 4. And we can go here, we can clear our terminal, and we can say node test.js. And what it says is hello, bye, and then prints 4 because we have all these cancel logs that we can get rid of. And we can also do stuff like x plus 3, or at least we have to say x is equal to x plus 3. And we'd get now 7. So why do we have to say x is equal to x plus 3, and why don't we just say x plus 3? Because if we say x plus 3, we'd still get 4. And the reason for this is because here we just said x plus 3. It's like just saying 4 plus 3, and then we didn't do anything with it. We just left it there, and this would still work. JavaScript would still execute this. It'll just execute this and leave it there, not do anything. But if we say x is equal to, if we run this, we still get 7. So this is basically what a variable is. What else we can do with variables? We can have a variable like name. Let name equal, and we'll give it my name, Blave, because I am Blave, and Blave is the village guy with the computer. So if we log this out, we'll get console.log name. It will print Blave. Just ignore this. This is just TypeScript. I also have TypeScript installed because I use TypeScript at work, but it's just telling me that I'm supposed to give this a type, and yeah, ignore this. So console.log name. Wait, or maybe I can name this something else, and it will work. Yes. So it's the name. It doesn't like that name because it's probably a key name. So we can say like my name. That's the TypeScript does that. I'll explain it later. But so we can say let my name equal Blave, and then we say console.log my name, and if we log this, it would say Blave. So this is basically what a variable is. Just think about it as like a placeholder where we can put data in, and then we can do different things to this data. For example, what we could maybe do is make a second variable and call it last name. And in this last name variable, we could save my last name, which is Kalan. Now, what we could do is take this first variable and this second variable and make them into a third variable. For example, we could say let full name equal, then we could say, well, my name plus last name. And now here, instead of printing my name, we want to print full name. And what this will do is it will take this variable and this variable and this variable and add them together, and it will print one variable. And actually this should be a plus. And what we also want to do is put some space here because we want some space between the names. So when we print this, it should give us Blave Kalan. Test.js, and it says Blave Kalan. So yeah guys, that's basically what a variable is. It's just a placeholder. You can create a placeholder, store something in it, and then manipulate it in different ways within your program. And with this said, guys, this is it for this video. You can catch me in the next one.